In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to a PC. So in order to do so, you will use, of course, an application. In your PC, you'll have to go and open a browser, and all you need to do is just go and download something like Let's View. Of course, there's a lot of applications that you can download. This is one of them. So just go and click on Get Started for free. Click on Download, choose Windows, of course. If you have Mac, make sure to choose it, and any other thing. So once you download it, you'll have to click on Yes, Save, and then it will be downloaded. Just double click on it, and the installation will start. So click on Yes, click on Install Now, and it will start installing. For me, I'm not going to do so because I already have it downloaded into my PC. So as you can see, all I need to do for me is just go and open it up. So in order to screen mirror our laptop or our iPhone to our PC, all we need to do is to connect both devices into the same network. So now, once I open this Let's View, as you can see, here is it. I'll find myself here. So you have the option to basically go into your iPhone and scroll up and click on Casts option or screen mirroring. Once you do so, you will find, as example, this Let's View option. You can just go and click on it, and as you can see, this screen of my iPhone now is showing on my PC. So what I'm talking about is simply scroll from down to up, and now you can click on the icon right here, this screen mirroring. And as you can see, I clicked on Let's View option. Why? Because I do have Let's View open here, and they're both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So if I click on it again, this screen mirror will close, and if I click on it once, it will start. So this is one of the options. I just click Stop Mirroring. The other option, as you can see, is to download also Let's View on your iPhone. So you can go and download this from your Play Store as an example. So let's just go to Play Store, click on search, and here we'll have to look for Let's View. So just go and click on it and make sure to go and download it. And once you get that, you can just go and open the app. You can just go and open the application, as I said. And as you can see, for me, I find here disconnected because I'm already connected through screen mirroring. So let me just go and stop this mirroring. And normally on your phone, you should find an example, your PC right there. You can just click on it simply on your phone as example, select your PC and click on Start Broadcast. This should establish the connection between, again, your iPhone and Let's View. Of course, you can even screen or share the screen of your PC on your iPhone by clicking on your phone or an example on your PC on the iPhone. So as an example, now I can click on Disconnect. And by the way, you can even scan the QR code using the application. You can scan the QR code or enter the code right here, as you can see. And now if I click on my iPhone as example, I'll be able to choose which screen and click on share, and I'll be able to see the screen of my PC now on my iPhone. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.